to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can basically clone a channel on Discord. For instance, you already have a channel here and you want to clone it. You are just going to right click on the channel and press clone channel, and it'll create a new channel with the same permissions, user limit, and bitrate as general. But you can also change the name to like general 1 maybe, and then press create channel. So like for instance, I'm just going to delete it first. For instance, I edit this channel and go to like permissions. Wait, no, actually I'll just do a user limit. For instance, I limit 9 users. I'll just save changes, and then I want to duplicate this, and then I want to duplicate this channel. I can just right click and clone the channel. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!